It's odorless, tasteless, and colorless. There are no sensory reminders to alert us to its presence. Radon is a radioactive gas, a silent killer, which is seeping into homes and workplaces across this nation. Radon gas is a radioactive decay product of radium. Radium occurs naturally below the Earth's surface in soil, rock, and water. As radium decays, it produces radon gas, which collects in soil and groundwater. Radon, in turn, decays through alpha particle emission. Alpha particles generally do not penetrate through the dead layer of the skin, so it is not considered an external radiation exposure hazard. However, radon decays into a series of solid radioactive decay products that can remain unattached in the air or attached to existing aerosols or other airborne particles. Depending on the size of the particles, the decay products, and the attachment rate, the particles can be inhaled and deposited in the lung on the respiratory epithelium. Once inhaled, two of the radon decay products, polonium-218 and polonium-214, undergo further alpha decay and impart the greatest radiation dose to the inner lining of the lung. Because buildings are not generally built radon resistant, radon tends to concentrate indoors. Radon has been found in various concentration levels nationwide. It generally enters at the lowest level of the building and can move into other areas, especially when the building is heated or cooled using forced air. All buildings can potentially have elevated concentrations of radon, even new constructions. Radon enters buildings through cracks in foundation walls and floors, as well as spaces around conduits and pipes. Even use of groundwater can contribute to indoor radon levels. The National Research Council's Committee on the Biological Effects of Ionizing Radiation at the National Academy of Science has documented the positive dose-response findings of lung cancer risk based on 11 large-scale studies of radon-exposed underground miners. Their findings indicated that radon is a potent occupational carcinogen and concluded that new cases of lung cancer are greatly increased by radon exposure to the general population. The EPA estimates that radon is responsible for over 21,000 lung cancer deaths each year in the United States. Direct evidence from combined or pooled residential radon studies performed in North America, China, and Europe supports the EPA's mortality estimates. It is an underappreciated fact that radon exposure is the second leading cause of lung cancer and the leading cause of lung cancer in individuals who have never smoked. Most radon-induced lung cancers occur from protracted exposure to low and medium radon concentrations. In the United States, radon is the leading environmental cause of cancer mortality and the seventh leading cause of cancer mortality overall.